CNET's Chris, and this is Orbnext. It's a color-changing glass cube with built-in LEDs, Wi-Fi, and its own dedicated channel on IFT, the online automation network that uses if this, then that based recipes. So with Orbnext, you can program anything you can think of to trigger the color of the cube to change. If you want the cube to turn green when your stock price is up or turn blue when you have a Facebook notification, you can program all of that using IFT. Now, in addition to that IF channel, you'll control Orbnext using the Blink and Play app from Advanced Lumonics, the company that made this thing. And with that app, you can change the color directly, you can set a color cycle to go, you can do a couple of things, but not as much as I would like. You can't create a customized color cycle, so you can't make it go red, green, blue, red, green, blue. It only has one option. You also can't do a music sync mode, you can't schedule the light to come on at a certain time. Now, some of that you can do with IF. You can use IF to say at 6 o'clock I want green light, but still, that feels like a feature that should have been in the app. Another qualm with the app is its color selector. It's just not that great. You have to slide around on the thing and then press a separate button to see the color. You can't just watch the cube change color as you slide and release your thumb when you like what you see. You have to keep on tapping the color selector and tapping the button until you get a color you like. I don't like that. That's a lot clunkier than you'll see with Philips Hue or LifeX or other smart color-changing bulbs that we've taken a look at. Of course, the functionality goes way up once you start playing with IFT. You can do whatever you really want. You can do some weird recipes with IFT, and if you want to get creative, there's plenty of room for it. So if you like that, the Orbnext might be something you'd enjoy. Still, this costs $129. That's an awful lot. That's a heck of a splurge. That's more than the LifeX bulb cost. That's more than individual Philips Hue bulbs cost, more than the Taboo Lumen bulb costs. All of those have color-changing smarts. Philips Hue has its own IFT channel. You've got a lot of options with those that make a little more sense, I think, than this. But still, if you like it, if you want it on your desk, if you think it looks cool and you'd have fun playing with it, it's not the worst splurge in the world. For CNET, I'm Chris.